In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Facebook frame in Canva. We'll walk through the exact settings, how to design with a clean center so your photo shows through, and the correct way to export, so it uploads perfectly. Start by opening Canva. Click Create a Design and search for Facebook Profile Frame to load the right dimensions instantly. If that template doesn't appear, a 1:1 square like 1080 by 1080 pixels works great and keeps everything crisp. You can choose a pre-designed template if you want a quick start, or begin with a blank canvas for full control. Templates are helpful for layout ideas, but you can always swap colors, fonts, and elements to match your style or branding. Because Facebook profile pictures are circular, it's important to design around that shape. Add a circle from the Elements tab and place it in the center as a guide. Resize it so it roughly represents the safe area where someone's face will appear. You can reduce the circle's transparency or switch it to an outline so it doesn't distract you. Use Canva's position tools to center it precisely, and consider locking it while you work, so you don't move it by accident. Now, build the frame around that circle. In the Elements tab, add graphics, shapes, or subtle patterns to the edges. Keep the center clear because that's where the user's photo will show. If you add text, keep it along the top, bottom, or sides, and leave generous space inside the circle. Choose high contrast colors and bold, readable fonts so your message stands out at small sizes. Logos should be simple and placed away from the center to avoid covering faces. Make it yours by customizing colors, fonts, and any branding elements. Consistency is key, so stick to 2 or 3 colors and create balance around the edges. If you are stacking elements, use the Arrange tools to bring items forward or backward, and group elements to keep alignment tidy. Throughout, check that nothing important drifts into the circular guide. When you are happy with the layout, delete the guide circle so only your frame remains. Also make sure the background is set to transparent, no solid color behind the frame. For downloading, click Share. Then Download. Choose PNG as the file type. This part is crucial. Check Transparent Background so you export only the frame without a white square. If you don't see that option, you may need a plan that supports it. Click Download and save the file to your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.